Have you ever wondered why jollof rice always hits harder at Nigerian parties? Well, it's not just the smoke, it's the way it's made. Let me show you what I do at home to get that same taste. I start by roasting my pepper mix. I roast my tomatoes, bell peppers, rodo, onions, garlic, and some spring onions. I slightly season the peppers with seasoning powder and salt. I spray a little oil and roast in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. The reason for roasting the jollof rice pepper mix before cooking is to deepen their flavor. It brings out a natural sweetness and gives the rice that signature smoking undertone. Once the jollof rice pepper mix is roasted, transfer it in a blender. Blend it until you get a smooth consistency. You want a smooth thick base, not watery. Once it's ready, set aside. In a pot, heat up some oil over medium heat. Now saute onions until translucent. Then add in curry powder, thyme, and bay leaves. This early booming of spices builds the base of our flavor. Stir in the tomato paste. Fry till the oil starts to separate from the tomato or until it's darkened. Now pour in your roasted blended pepper mix. Give it a stir to mix together with the fried tomato paste. Add in more spices to the jollof rice base and salt. Mix it together, then fry on low heat until the oil begins to float at the top. That's when you know it's ready. Add your seasoning stock, taste and adjust now because once the rice goes in, there is no turning back. Cover and put it to boil. Once it's boiling, add your washed rice. Stir it once and don't stir again because we want that bottom crust. Tightly seal with foil and cook on low heat. After 20 to 30 minutes, it's smoky, fluffy, and the bottom has the caramelized layer we all love. And that's the party jollof rice mark. Now flop up the rice a little, then add some sliced onions for an extra touch of flavor. Cover it up and let it cook until it's fully done. That's it for this. This is how I make my authentic Nigerian jollof rice, dipped, smoky, and packed with love. Drop a comment if you've ever scraped the bottom part of Nigerian jollof rice. And if this brought you home, subscribe for more. Food is the ingredient, right? It's all in the description box. Go check it. You can serve this authentic Nigerian jollof rice with any dish of your choice. Serve hot and enjoy with family and friends.